hail going on, heading south. Just made it through Oregon, now in Nevada, heading towards Winnemucca for another grand adventure. I have a feeling it's going to be a cold night.
This adventure begins with a road trip from the Treasure Valley in Idaho to the Inyo Mountains in California, where I meet up with a great group of people where we do some epic off-roading, some mine exploring, visit the famed Cerro Gordo ghost town, and the Saline Valley Salt Tram. But first, I have to make it through this unexpected Nevada snowstorm.
Holy moly! Heading into the storm.
VIAIR, classic alternative
and new wave.
Battle Mountain. All right, time to find a place to camp.
Was that a wild horse that just crossed the road, or a Bigfoot?
Well, this isn't going to work. I think I'm on private land up here somewhere. It's awful muddy. Looks like I'm going to have to go to Austin, which is a little higher elevation. I think it's going to be colder, but probably work out better. Well, hopefully this will work. It's 39 degrees. We're at about 5,200 feet.
Ultimately, I ended up staying at the BLM campground in Mill Creek, which is in the Shoshone Range.
Couple people back here.
This site was originally developed by the Civilian Conservation Corps in the 1930s.
Oh man, it is really coming down. I gotta send you a video. Holy smokes.
Okay.
Sorry.
After letting my wife know I was safe, it was time to get camp set up.
Trying to get the tent set up. Whiteout conditions right now. Totally epic. I don't know if you can see this. Holy moly. It's cold. All right, it's pretty dark. I don't know if you can hear the stream right there. You can see still snowing. I think it's going to snow for another hour or so. Shot here at the truck. All right, there we go. Snow has slowed down a little bit. You can see left a pretty good patch. It's only 35 degrees, so it's melting pretty fast. You can see clear skies over there. Pretty awesome though. First time I've set the tent up in the snow.
After spending some time by the fire, I called it a night.
It was a cold night last night. I think it dropped down to 28 degrees. But thankfully it stopped snowing. Beautiful out here. Sun rising right over the hill there. Yeah, quite a bit of snow piled up there. beautiful, beautiful night and morning. Snow is starting to melt pretty quickly. It says 32, but with the sun, it's just melting. Hoping the rest of this trip is a little bit warmer, though. That was pretty cool last night.
Maybe that was a wild horse I saw last night, and not a Bigfoot. After making my way back to pavement, I headed south to US Route 50. I stopped in the historic mining town of Austin to fill up with gas, but before I left, I stopped to check out the historic cemetery. Austin was founded in the 1860s, supposedly after a Pony Express rider's horse kicked over a rock and people noticed there was silver under it. In its heyday, Austin boasted a population of 10,000 people. Today, there's more people buried in the cemetery than live in the city. The first burials occurred here in 1863, and now US Route 50 cuts the cemetery in half, with Masonic and Oddfellows on the north side and Catholics and citizens on the south side. Today, US Route 50 is known as the loneliest highway in America, but in 1913, it was part of the Lincoln Highway, which was the first transcontinental highway, which went from Times Square in New York to Lincoln Park in San Francisco. After spending a day and a half traversing Nevada, finally made it to California, where I met up with the Trailhawk. After airing down, we headed north on Saline Valley Road. Our goal was to meet up with some of the guys from Station 31 at an abandoned lead and silver mine in the Inyo Mountains.
How are you, man?
Good.
You drinking?
How's Idaho?
It's awesome. How's it up here?
We don't have this set up, so
Let's do it.
do it. We're just walking.
Nice, enjoy.
Wes,
How are you guys?
good to see you. Sir. Thank you
How
for
are you?
blessing us
What-
with your presence.
what's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan West. Nice to
you.
meet you.
That's a nice rig.
Thank you. It's working.
How's the life in Idaho?
So great.
Well, I'm glad you came down. Thanks for spending time with us. I'll see you up there.
All right, cool.
After getting camp set up, making some dinner, and spending some time catching up by the fire, we ended up calling it a night. Though it doesn't look very impressive from the outside, I can tell you the inside of this mountain has been hollowed out in the 45 years that they worked this mine from 1910 to 1955.
Well, how's it looking?
Ooh, looks dangerous. All right, boys, hopefully this is not our last one. Here, ready? 1, 2.
Love you, Mom.
As always, I don't encourage anyone to go into mines.
All right. Here we go. Oh. There we go.
The crosscut adit where we entered was actually put in 1953, right before the mine closed, and it's 1,800 feet long.
This was the pipe that
Water, whatever.
air
Compressed air.
ore chute right there.
Oh, that goes on for a long time.
Yeah, see now look way up there, you can see the workings up there.
Oh, wow.
We did like grizzly,
wow.
they have grizzly bars up there, see the.
Jeez.
Dude, look at those big rocks.
Uh-huh.
That can fall.
That would be a bad day.
Well, and that's what's feeding that ore chute right there, so they would be dropping the ore from up the workings up there down into that ore chute.
This mine has a 350-foot incline shaft, along with 1,500 feet of drifts and crosscuts and extensive stopes.
So this was your air tank right here.
Oh, here we go, okay. Mine at the op is a little smaller than this. Wow.
Another tank there. This is one of those stope.
That almost looks like a water heater.
So, the other way in, we've got it 100 feet, go up on the mountain sideways, and you drop into the slope, and you get coming down.
So this is an area I would avoid. You can see it all fell, all collapsed.
But yeah, we're going in. Okay, copy.
So we've walked down that. We came in from up there and
From
came
up
down.
here?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, because I see a passageway up
Yeah.
here.
Where was the entrance up there?
It's up on the side of the mountain.
Oh, okay.
Watch your step, you're afraid of.
This looks like this is an old dynamite box. Yeah, so this is dynamite. Hercules, Gelamite.
45th in strength, okay.
So that's a dynamite box.
There you go.
Not bad at all.
We call it stope. Only stope, it's not straight out. 1P2. You start from up there. So these are all workings. This is where they're pulling ore. Those tunnels we were in.
Yeah, see that?
Those are-
That's some of the ore right
So
there.
once they got the ore they wanted.
What do you think of that?
That's how about that for Halloween?
I have never seen that mask, so I don't know if that's new or I've never been through this area.
Oh, wow. Pretty cool.
It's a big chute.
Yep.
Okay, we got a newspaper here.
There's a piece over here too.
I don't see a date.
How to get rid of corns.
See a date on anything?
15 cents, so yeah, that's got to go for something.
Say yet. Oh, here we go. Mexico City, November 27th. Give me a year. Sunday, January 18th, 1959.
Wow. Upset of LA features playing ice hockey.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. So you know what they use this paper for?
The dynamite?
Toilet paper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thanks. Heads up.
I'm guessing
Is that
this.
why the gloves off?
I'm guessing this hadn't been used yet, but they would. That's why they had the stacks of newspaper back here, and this dead end was probably the restroom.
Wood planks.
So you see how that says 270L? That's actually a rental for it. That's funny.
We're on the 270 level.
Oh, got it.
Oh, but that's stairs.
Be careful you don't fall through.
But yeah, false score. He missed that discussion.
Oh.
Here's a couple cans. Well, looks like oil cans.
Stair is the man way, but on the side, those were rails. They would slide the ore carts up.
Oh,
where's
going up?
They would pull them up. So from, you can see how worn this is, and see that pulley.
Oh, this.
Yeah, so it would slide up on these wood, and then they would unload it here, take it out that way.
Oh, that's got to be a lot of weight.
Yeah,
That's got to be a machine, right? That's
they probably had a machine here. This is epic. Oh. That is beautiful. Wes, what does it say right there?
my chair here. 259.
59.
31st.
We found a bat
Still holding on.
right after Weston put his hand on top of it. That's awesome. Yeah, still grasping the wall.
I think it's its Halloween costume.
I'm going to have to end this video here, but don't worry, almost all of us made it out of the mine alive. So make sure you stay tuned for the second half of this adventure, where we visit the eclectic boxcar cabin, do some more epic off-roading, visit the famous ghost town of Cerro Gordo, along with the historic Saline Valley Salt Tram. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you the next time we venture outside.